James and Max here for Hidden Traffic Formula. Get excited because this is a brand new way to get traffic like you've never ever seen. Now, Max and I have been in the marketing game for some time. We've been in the marketing game for 30 plus years. We have big lists. We have ways of getting traffic, but sometimes something comes along that's untouched, that's crazy, that gives us a tremendous boost. A lot of times what we do is we put out products and then we get buyers from there, just like we're doing a product here. And then we do some affiliate promos, but nothing like this. We're talking Max and I on the top of all these leaderboards, crushing product after product after product. I was someone that didn't really promote many products, relatively. But when I'm getting all this crazy traffic, which you don't even need a previous following for, which you don't need anything to sell, all of a sudden, I'm right there at the top of the list, winning prizes. You see these leaderboards, Max and I, it's Max, myself, and then we have another account, it's like the Max and James account. We're on there. All of a sudden, people are like, whoa, people are coming up to us saying, will you please promote our products because you're bringing crazy heat, you're bringing crazy traffic. You guys brought sales before, but what's going on? Why all of a sudden are you being able to send all this crazy traffic? It's because of what we're gonna break down for you in Hidden Traffic Formula. So this is absolutely game changing. Again, no need for a prior audience, no need for any technical stuff. If you just want a ton of traffic that you can send to anything, not just the launch game, but any particular niche that's out there, you wanna pick up Hidden Traffic Formula. Max?
Yeah, guys, so this is just an amazing way to generate laser targeted traffic to any product in any niche online starting from today. Even if you don't have a following, if you don't have any special skills, if you've never done anything online before, you need traffic. And this is, the easiest way to get very good laser target, high quality traffic right now, today. You can get this started today. And the lifeblood of any online business is really traffic, being able to getting visitors in front of your links, period. If you don't have traffic, you cannot even give away the best product out there away for free. So you need traffic. This will get you traffic. James and I on a promotion that we recently ended, we sent like around 600 sales, only the two of us together. I've made $10,000 in the last 10 days alone, only affiliate promotions, not including our own products. But this is only because we know how to generate traffic. This product here will teach you the easiest way, something that no one else talks about, because we have come across this by mistake really, and it's working super well right now. There are people who are already getting a ton of traffic from this site, but compared to everyone out in our space, that's still like really a tiny number of people who know this platform. It's working super well. We're using this on a daily basis now, and we highly recommend that you start doing the same, because you need traffic and this will give you traffic. So make sure to click on the link down below now, and we'll see you inside.
If you have all the traffic in the world that you'd ever want, if you're making all the money in the world that you'd ever want, don't pick this up. But if you want to get traffic in a crazy way from a place you've never seen before, if you want to get paid in all kinds of different ways, if you want to start boosting your revenue like we've just done, it's crazy. Max has like 100K right now that he hasn't even withdrawn, okay? That's how insane this is. Then you want to pick this up below, Hidden Traffic Formula. You're going to be so stoked when you see what we have for you. Check it out inside.